Alright guys, welcome to the next video, episode, whatever. I don't know what to call these things. Anyways, this is going to be our replacement engine. Unfortunately, the 454, as said before, is bad. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Yeah, so basically 454, the block is not worth rebuilding. So let me kind of give you guys a little walk around on this thing. Even though I did a walk around in the previous video, and if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. It's pretty cool, doing the brakes. Anyways, this dude is pretty built for industrial purpose. Pretty cool. It's got double roller, timing gears and chain. This is the piston I was talking about earlier. It's like pretty clean, so I'm assuming they blew a hole through it or something, so they swapped that one out. As you can see, all these other ones have decent amount of carbon buildup. And I don't know if you can really see the cross hatching, but it's getting worn down, but I think it's fine for my purposes. So right now I'm waiting on a camshaft, lifters, and then the push rods, because I don't know if I said it in the last video or not, but every single intake was bent and most of the exhausts were bent. So that's what we've got there. And I guess if I show you on this side, on this cleaner one, this dude is bored 30 over. Oh, that one you might be able to see it better. 30 thousandths over, so that's neat. But anyways, I guess this episode I'll show you guys us pulling the engine out, and then basically, I don't know if you guys want to see me clean it or not, but I'll be cleaning it, getting it prepped for paint. So got a little cleaning station set up over here. That dude got the gas down here and the purple power over there, and this stuff's already been through it, so that's ready to be sanded down and or Scotch-Brite and or wire wheel. So I've already started on this intake. It's getting pretty good. I kind of wish I would have done it before and after, but you guys will get the gist. I don't know if you can see in there, it's pretty packed, but yeah, nice. Let's get this guy going. shop now. Pulling this thing was one of the more sketchy things I've ever done in my life. As you can see from the rear end of the truck, the suspension was actually getting really compressed trying to pull this dude out. This is a big, heavy engine, and especially with the transmission, it's like no joke. But anyways, we got it in here. Obviously, it's all cleaned up now. But for now, I'm going to show you guys how I clean this suit up, and then hopefully we'll get it painted. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful couple next days, so hopefully we'll get these videos going. Check this out. Just so you guys can get an idea of what I spent hours doing, I get a little brush, and I do this for hours and hours and hours. Just kidding. Power tools. Very nice. There's the other one. Might be able to see how kind of dirty it is. Rusty. It's actually not all that bad, but that's what she looks like. Almost finished. I still got to get a couple spots down in the spark plug holes and a few little areas, but that's kind of the gist of it right there. So yeah, the nice thing about aluminum like that engine is it cleans up super easy. Versus this, I got to get all the rust off of it. So, and then I got that dude and the rest of the parts up there. Let's get her done. So after all that cleaning, I don't know, on the video it only makes it seem like a couple minutes, but I've actually been in here for like 2 days now, just cleaning everything, all of this, even with the wire wheel on the side grinder or angle grinder, whatever you want to call it, and then the drill. Like, dude, it still takes forever because I still got to use that little brush to get into the little nooks and crannies that the big brushes can't get into. So anyways, still need to get these valve covers finished. I've actually got them in the cleaner dude right now. Just have these chrome ones sitting on here for display purposes right now. So yeah, so we'll call it there. Hope you guys were able to enjoy this video. Thanks for watching it. Let me know what you think of it. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want for more. Yeah, I've got this box body that I purchased a little while ago. I've got an idea with it, actually a couple ideas, so I might be starting making videos on that thing. We'll see what happens. Right on. We'll see you guys in the next one. Very nice.